Hello everyone, we are going to see about TypeScript testing. Testing is an essential part for any software development process, and TypeScript provides excellent support for writing tests. Here's a detailed guide on how to write tests in TypeScript. Type testing. Here how you can set up the basic TypeScript project with test of for testing. Create a new directory for your project and navigate into it. First, open VS Code and go to terminal. Make a directory mkdir, go to that file, again go to terminal. Now initialize a new Node.js project. For that, npm init. After that, we want to install TypeScript and Jest along with their types. For that, npm install save dev TypeScript Jest add types slash Jest. Now if I run this, it was installing. After that, we want to create a directory. For that, mk source directory, and another one is and then we want to create a file tsconfig.json. Inside that, compiler options. Inside that, the target ES6, and module common.js. Out directory is test, and the strict is true. If I save this, next we want to create another for just.config.js. In just.config.js, I have added module.export, which is preset tg just. Test environment is node, root is root direct slash source, root direct slash test, and it was transformed, and then module file extensions TypeScript, TSX, JS, JSX, JSON, and node. Next, inside source, we can create a file called math.txt. math.ts, and inside test we can create a file called math.test.ts. Inside that we can create, first we can export function sum of a is number, b is of number, return a plus b. This export function subtract a of number, b of number, and then return a minus b. Next, in math.js we can import sum comma subtract from // source slash math. Next, test sum function adds to number comma arrow function expect sum of 1 comma 2 dot 2b 3. For subtract, test and then in package.json we can change the script test to just test watch just of if I save this. To run the test we can give npx jest. npx just. See, like this we want to test. We are getting test is one passed and test is two passed. Like this we can check the test. Thank you.